This is my iPhone 10, and one of the reasons I posted a video about replacing the battery, but I ended up not replacing the battery. One of the reasons why I didn't replace the battery is because the iPhone X is stuck on iOS 16.7.10. It might receive some security updates from now and then, but it's stuck on iOS 16, and it's September 2024. What's it called? This iPhone XS Max that I upgraded to, which is a used broken phone, is currently on iOS 17, but iOS 18 is available for upgrade on it. So that's one of the points to be made about whether or not to replace your battery. If you want to have the latest version of iOS, which isn't a big deal for a lot of people, they can run older ones. For me, this is actually kind of useful because I'm on Visible. Well, I have a relative that's on Visible, and they use hotspots, and it stopped working. So supposedly iOS 18 fixes that problem. We'll see.